ended last month. Hermine had gone to Bhopal, and she cleared. Let me tell you, Hermine, may I know the date on which you cleared SSB?
So it's on 28th of July, sir.
28th of July from
Yes.
22 SSB. I'm right.
21 SSB, sir.
21 SSB Bhopal, and
Yes.
you have just heard the group discussion practice. So
Yes.
now you're in the right time to guide the students. But before you guide them on the specific, how did you handle the discussion? Because you are also a repeater in the
Yes.
batch, and there must have been a fish market with all the previously recommended and all these kind of girls. So before you go there, we would like you to tell the students how did you prepare, and how did you prepare with the online classes, and on your own, what did you do other than that before you went to SLB? Then share your experience. And in that, of course, you must talk about the GD, how you handle the GD. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
start from your preparation time. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. I'm so glad to be back here, especially on the other side today, listening to the group discussion. Talking about my practice, how I practice for the SSB, sir, because being a repeater, I knew I had a lot of weaknesses and drawbacks. I had analyzed my previous attempt. So when I joined your online classes, I knew that I was really weak in my general awareness part, especially the current affairs and how to analyze the situation and how to answer, especially in the interview, sir. So online classes, sir, I found that if if you give your 100% in the online classes, sir, of 3 weeks, even if you don't have much time after those online classes, even then you will be able to, at least 99% your preparation will be done within these 3 weeks only, sir. So within my SSB to these 3 week classes, I had only 20 days, sir. So after attending these 3 weeks of online classes, I maintained that time period, sir, of these from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. wala time schedule, sir. So I used to come in my room by 8 o'clock, and I used to start with the preparation. And with the beginning, I used to start with the OIR, sir, and then with the psych practice. For the OIR, sir, the book you recommended, I did from that only, and it helped me, sir. It was really good to just do it for half an hour. I used to practice for my OIR, not more than that, and then I used to start practicing on my psych test, and within the psych test only I used to prepare for the PPDT also, sir. And the pictures you told me in the class, these are coming, so I focused on those more than the other stories, because you told not to go for the mobile ones, they are on the social media, so I did not watch any of them this time. Last time I practiced only from them only. It really, I made those Nike wala pictures and stories there. So this time I made sure ki I don't include any negative story if it's not a negative one. So for the psych test, sir, I started searching for themes like while I was reading the current affair topics, I used to write those topics, and I used to think that if such a picture comes, then this topic can be added in that picture. So I would like to quote an example. So I got a psych test. In psych test, I got a picture of a women officer with 2-3 soldiers with a background of a beach. So in that, I just because a day before only a PESEX exercise was going on between India and UK, so that clicked in my mind that this exercise is going on, so I can make that as a theme, and that can show that yeah, this girl is aware of the current situation as well. So I made that made that point show that the current affairs has to be introduced in the psych test also. And also, sir, there are a few Instagram pages where current affair topics are there. So in even that there I studied one topic. I what I used to do, sir, like the village ki pictures are rahi hai, so I thought of some topics, themes ki if any village picture will come, I will try to inculcate that picture if it's relevant to that theme. So one picture helped me in that. There was a scene of a woman wearing a sari sitting in an office with a man in the front. So in that, I thought that the lady was like a rural lady, but with the sari she was with having a look of a sarpanch. So I had studied somewhere that there's recently in a village the sarpanch had decided to what he did was उसने क्या उसने जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बच्चे अटेंड कर रहे थे, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ ऑनलाइन कनेक्शंस इन द विलेजेस, व्हाट ही डिड वाज उसने जो केबल नेटवर्क था उस पे ऑनलाइन स्क्रीनिंग स्टार्ट कर दी, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग ऑफ द क्लासेस. So I had this theme in my mind कि अगर कोई विलेज का थीम आता है तो this is a really good and a new theme that can be introduced in that. So I use that theme in this picture, ki live streaming through the cable network, because every village, people in the houses, they have this cable network for sure. So the people, school children were able to, get full advantage of the classes. So this way I practice for my psych test, sir. Just reading new things that are going on, how these things can be introduced in the pictures that are given.
Very good.
So I practice for the psych this way, sir. And then I used to practice for 2 to 3 hours for my interview. And sir, I can't thank you enough for all the CIQ topics, exactly
Probing.
same. So 100% same. The same pattern was followed for the interview CIQs, sir. And I had practiced them, I don't know, so many times that even now, if I close my eyes, I know which point is the next I need to tell. So even before going for my SSB, I gave my interview to my mother, and she was like, "It's like you have already learned the questions, like you are speaking like that." So maine kaha, "Mama, yeah, I have practiced it like that so that I don't forget the questions that the interviewing officer is asking." So I practice the interviewing officer IU questions a lot, the CIQ especially, sir. And for the current affairs, sir, I used to, especially you told me about Vion channel, sir.
Yeah.
So it helped me so much. वो पालकी उपाध्याय का 9 p.m. वाला prime time show. So in that, within those 15-20 minutes, she gave you so much of, the current affair, the data. And I used to write those datas in my notebook, in the data diary, and it helped me a lot, sir. And also there are, online sites like Byju's is there, Drishti IAS is there. From that, I used to prepare my lecture topics. And I had a good, 50 to 60 lecture topics that I used to read daily, sir, 2 to 3 of them. And then I used to think about them before sleeping, that these were the main points that I need to remember. So that wise I prepare. And for the GTO parts, your concepts of all the PGT, and they were so good, sir. They helped me a lot, especially the rules, sir. Woi rules, I used to keep remembering those rules in my mind, that yes, these are the rules. And I used to remember those figures that you have made us drawn in the class. And that helped me a lot, sir, in those in the ground, sir, actually in the ground. And this way as I prepared. Then, sir, I went to Bhopal, and on the first day, sir, we were 81 girls, and we were shown a picture of a mountaineering scenes was there. People were trekking on that. And so my picture was on Mountain Everest expedition. And so I've seen that many girls, they were making pictures where plastic was there, and how, you can, you used to told me ki aise negative stories, bahut sare, so maximum students were doing this only. And when they were speaking their stories, I was like, तुम्हारा नहीं हो पाएगा, because you are introducing negativity. So because you have told us ki this is, not exactly the wrong way. So that time I knew ki, yes, this is actually, they are introducing activity. This is a clear cut. And so it was not a blurry picture. It was very clear. So we were aware ki there's a trekking going on, mountains are there. So it's an expedition only, whatever you write in that. So I made it on that only. I was able to speak it, without any stoppage. And in the group discussion also, sir, though it was a fish market first, but then he divided it into 2 groups, and then it was good enough to, you can keep our points in that. So PPT went very well. And OIR, sir, it was very easy in Bhopal. Or last time also in Bhopal, I felt the OIR is not very tough. And this time, so completely the questions were of cube, and group A and group B wale, which is resemblance of probability wale, group A and B. And they were so easy. Even if the rules are not, even if you're not aware of the rules of the group A and B, even then you will be able to complete those OIRs. So OIR and PPDT went very well. So I was quite sure कि screen in तो हो जाएगा. So luckily, sir, I got screened in, and 30 girls out of 81, sir, got screened in our batch. And the next day we had a psych test, sir. So in psych test, I told you, sir, because of those things that I had in my mind, it actually helped me, sir. But you have to be really, relevant, and we RLP, you have to follow that. Not that you have mugged up those things and you can put them. No, only if the picture is relevant, only then you can use those points. Otherwise, if the some stories were there, like a old lady with having fever, and like she was lying on the floor, so you have to show that something is wrong with her, and how you can help her with that. So even the negative stories were there, but how you made them positive is the important part. And so pictures went well, so I was able to complete all the 12 on time. And then WAT was also very easy, because we have practices here, and even after that I used to practice them within those time limit. So I was able to complete all the 60 WATs, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. SRT also went well, sir. I was able to complete 48 only. Where my target was at least to have more than 50, but I was able to complete 48. But I made sure that I have to end that SRT. I have to complete the task given and not leave it between. So rather than quantity, I was falling more on the quality. So SRT also so went quite well in that case. And then SD sir, as Buddhi Raja sir told us the format that you have to start with the line that I'm blessed with parents, and my teachers are my privilege to be have those teachers. So I followed those points given by Buddhi Raja sir, and it went well, sir. So psych test was fine, but you can't tell how the psychologist will take it. But otherwise, from my side, I think that I used all the points that were given by you, sir, here. And then on the same day, sir, I had my interview also. So I was the fourth one to be called for the interview. So before that, the girls were coming, and while they were discussing about the interviews, they were telling the deputy president was taking the interview for the repeaters batch, sir. So they were telling he's a very nice guy, but he's putting the questions of education, family all together. So all the CIQs of education and family he was putting in one go. So the girls were telling that they were not able to remember what was the next question asked. So we were having lunch, and then afterwards I was having my interview, and I just asked her ki ye questions puche in the same format that I've learned. She was like, "Are you taking my interview? It's like you are the interview officer." So she said, "How do you know these like exactly the same pattern?" I was like, "The one I've taken coaching from, they have told us this pattern, and I've learned my." So she said exactly the same questions have been asked to her also. So sir, I prepared myself ki yeah, this is going to help me a lot in that. And so I went for the interview, and then we rapid questions. So we sir, what's the meaning of your name? How you prepared? What went wrong the last time? How you prepared this time? So again, sir, I have prepared that you have already told. And then he started, sir, with those education and family. He bombarded me with those 50 to 15 to 30 questions, sir, from education to family. Exactly the same pattern, not even a single question, sir, from here to there. So I was like very prepared. But what happened was he was counter questioning me within, sir, like I was answering one question. He was giving me the, asking me about that simultaneously. So
probing was going on.
Yeah, so rapid questioning was going on. So in that also, because I have prepared well, I for all the CIQs, I remembered that what was the next question, because sometimes when he was continuously asking me in between, and I was answering, so I thought I might forget what was the next question. But because I was so prepared, I able to revive back, yes, this was a next question. So I started with the interview. So interview went very well, sir. Basically, sir, the deputy president who was taking the interview was focused more on the overall personality, that throughout your journey of life, what your personality was and how you have improved yourself. So he did not focus on any one area like reading, and sometimes I was afraid ki sports mein I was not so good. So he did not focus on any one area. He focused on each and every part, a very minute things also, and very major things. So in that case, he explored each and every part of my personality. And then from the then we so uske baad spare time activities he asked me. So I told him this reading habits, all the books you have recommended, and I have read the books. I told him about the books. And so the last girls who had their interview, they told me he's asking what you have read in the general awareness class, just tell me anything. So I was like कि मैं तो अफगानिस्तान के बारे में I was like well prepared, मैं वही बोल के आऊंगी. So in my case, he did not even ask me about Afghanistan. He said, "Okay, ma'am, okay, something is going on in our neighbors." So I was like, "Afghanistan के बारे में पूछेगा." But he then said, कि Myanmar में something has happened. So can you tell me something what has happened in Myanmar? So I told him, "Sir, Myanmar coup has happened." So he asked me, "Can you tell me in detail about it?" So I told him in detail, sir, because I was prepared about what has happened, because last 6 months you have asked data diary में लिख के जाना है. So I've written those points in detail. So I told him what has happened in Myanmar, who's the prime minister. I told him. So that went well, sir. Then he asked me, "Can you tell me the neighboring bordering states of India with Myanmar?" So there I got confused. I named all the neighboring countries, but I named Tripura as well. So there he said, "Do you think Tripura has has borders with Myanmar?" So then I got confused that am I not sure. So he said, "Are you confused?" मैंने कहा, "Yes, sir, I'm not sure कि Tripura है नहीं, but I think Tripura है." But then he said, "Go and search for it, and on the conference day I'll ask you this question." मैंने कहा, "Right, sir." So, sir, my interview went more than for 1.5 hours. So it was for 1.5 hours. So I was very scared ki whether it's too good or whether it's too bad for me. It has taken 1.5 hours on me. So after coming back, I called you in the evening, and you were like, "It's okay, things are good." And I was very confident ki sir, I was able to answer well for all the questions he has asked me. And then, so next day GTO started, and ours were a very senior GTO sir, and the first group discussion started. Our topic was, we were given a choice between Afghanistan, what is going in Afghanistan and how India should react to it, and second was COVID-19, and how should third wave of COVID-19 can be prevented. So because I was so prepared about Afghanistan, I was like, we will go for Afghanistan, but our group, all the girls were like, we'll go for the COVID-19 one. So I said, okay, it's fine, we'll go for the COVID-19 one. And there also, sir, I initiated the group discussion. And within the group discussion, sir, I gave only 3 to 4 points. I used to listen to the others as well. And there was no fish market, sir, in our group. Luckily, I was having a very good repeaters batch. The girls were not creating a very fish market in the group discussion. Everyone was listening to everyone. And sometimes when there was a clash between the two, one was giving chance to another to speak. So we were not like, we have to speak. We were given enough chances. So 3 to 4 points I speak in that topic, sir. I also gave data, so I realized that no other girl is giving any kind of data, sir. So there I gave data ki itne oxygen deficiency ki wajah se I chose the medical infrastructure, lack of medical infrastructure. So I gave examples also. And the second topic given was women empowerment, sir. So it's very common for the girls to get this topic, women empowerment. Right. So who is to be blamed? So male dominating, I chose the male dominating society. And again, sir, I initiated the group discussion in this as well. And I gave the first point only, that I gave the example of the cabinet reshuffle, that out of only 78 men, only 11 women are there. So instead of women empowerment, it shows that it's more of a male dominating society. So I gave this point, I shut my mouth, and then I listened to others, sir. And then again, I put a point about the permanent commission, sir. I gave data that only 424 women have been given permanent commission. And for that also, they have to compete against this male dominating society, even within the armed forces. So I gave that point, sir. Then I keep my mouth shut, and then I listened to the girls as well. So, and the third point I gave was on a triple talaq, and how women, Muslim women, they are fighting against this triple talaq, how they fought for so long, and then they got this. So I gave these points, sir, and I used to listen to others as well.
Okay.
So group discussion went very well, sir. And then we had a group planning exercise. So the scheme that you gave me for the solutions, I was able to complete the written part within no time, sir. 1 or 2 10 minutes we were given, and I was completed in from 5 to 6 minutes only, and girls were even not able to complete it after 10 minutes. So our GTO gave them extra time to write the solution.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir. So when the discussion started, I just started with those points only. The way we have written, I started the discussion in that point. Like, let's prioritize the problems first, and I think we all agree that these are the problems. So I gave the problems, and I say I hope that we all agree, and the group agreed that yes, these are the problems, and these are the priorities. So group discussion went well in that case also. I gave points that this we'll do and this we'll do. And when in the last, the GTO asked the group to nominate someone to gave the plan, the whole group so without any thinking even a second, they gave my name, the chest number 22, you should give the group planning exercise. So I stood up, sir, I gave the plan, and everyone was like satisfied with that. So it went very well. So I was not expected to being given this chance by the whole group. So it went very well. And the next was group obstacle race, because it was raining, so continuously raining in Bhopal. So we knew it was very hard for us to within this rain to do all these obstacles. But we group mein to, sir, when your group is there and you know how to do it, you are able to complete all those tasks, sir. And wo chote wote to sir lagti hain, because also it was raining and kafi we got injured and all. So happened, but it went very well, sir. Group obstacle race. And then sir, PGT started. PGT में सर you told me कि आगे जाना ही जाना है, पीछे तो रहना ही, खड़े नहीं रहना. So मैंने तो सर फटाफट बल्ली उठा ली. मैंने कहा बल्ली ने तो काम आना ही है. So बल्ली उठा के I went inside, and then that helped me, sir. The girls, otherwise they don't give you a chance to speak. Yeah. So, and especially because it was a repeater batch, and I was the first time repeater, sir. So for me to be in those hardcore repeater batch, I was like very afraid कि I don't know whether I will be able to give a point or not, but because the group was good, all of us were giving points, sir. Not only me, other girls also, because they were very well aware about how to, tackle those things. They were also giving points, but we were able to complete the PGT in very good time, sir. Our group was very fast to complete all the 4 stages of the
Okay.
progress.
That's very
Yes.
nice. All 4 you completed. Good.
Yes, sir, all the 4 we completed, and GT was quite impressed by the group, sir.
Okay.
And yes, sir, and I gave points, sir, within those, sir, wo fulcrum and the effort ka lagna hai. So I was able to utilize those rules and how to apply them.
Right.
And then that went very well. So, and then half group tasks we, sir, very easy. But I don't know whether it was easy or because I was so very well prepared about that. I think it was easy for me this time.
Right.
So half group task also, sir, went very well. And then the lecturate was also on the same day. And lecturate was fine, sir. It was good. Topics I got were there was a global recession was there, India and Russia relationships were there, and health and diet and junk food was there. So I picked up health and diet, and I spoke for 3 minutes without any stoppage in between, because for India and Russia, sir, I was not aware about the background. The current news I was aware what is going on between India and Russia, but background I was not aware. So I was not confident enough if I will be able to speak for at least 3 minutes. So I chose health and diet, and for that I made points like what is physical health, mental health, the diet for the physical health, and then the mental health, and then lecture went very well. So so this was the first day of GTO, sir. We went back, and then second day of GTO we only had individual obstacle, command task, and the final group task. So the individual obstacle, because it was it was raining heavily, sir. So out of 10 obstacles, we were given only 5 obstacles to do. And even within those 5 obstacles, I was only able to complete 4. And I told you how I completed the 4th one. So within my 4th attempt, I was able to complete the 4th one. I fall and I get back, I fall, I get back. But I was so determined that I need to complete this. So I completed 4 obstacles out of those. And then our command task happened, sir. I was the first one to be called for the command task. And he, just very personal talks. How are you, your family, background and all that sort. Your repeater, how's last experience, nothing so serious, just we normal talk. And then he gave me a sort of average to above average command task, sir. And in my command task, it was all about Balli and plank, where Balli was either used as a fulcrum or it was used as a fort. So I had to keep think of whether it is used as a fulcrum or as an effort. So but because those rules I remember, I was able to complete my command task also so very well. So even my subordinates girls were saying ki ma'am, you have done it very quickly, and within no time you complete your command task, and it went very well, sir. So, and then final group task also. So final group task was very tough. Even our group was not able to complete our final group task. So
the last, was very huge actually. Final group task generally very large with two planks and 2 ropes. So
yes, sir. So it was a moving structure, like
bench moving.
Yes, sir. So last pe we were so confused, like the moving structure was not stable. So I was like, chalo, it's okay. Pata nahi, sir, we tried so hard, but the whole group was not able to complete it. So the GTO said, it's okay. I got it. You're confused. Leave it there only. And then we went back, sir. And this GTO happened, sir. And the next day, conference day. So
questions or specific questions or normal conference?
The normal questions. All the girls were asked the same questions. In our 30 batch girls, not even a single girl will ask any different questions, sir.
So that means there was no borderliner.
No borderline case
in our clear fail.
Yes, sir. In our batch, there was not even a single girl who was asked any other question. We were normally asked, how was the experience? Which part you think you did well and which part you did not well? Why not well in that part? And then can you rate yourself in the GTO tasks? And
that's a normal, common
very
questions
normal.
are there.
Yes, sir. So it went only 3 to 4 seconds ka hua higher than every. Yes, sir. And then the result was declared, sir.
Thank you so much for narrating it so well. I think I had a feeling that I'm seeing your GTO task going on the way you have described everything. Right?
It's in my mind, so I can't forget those 5 days. Like it's the most.
Thank you so much for the GP which you have drawn. I'm yet to make it fair in color. If you have time, can you color it and send me?
Yes, sir. I'll make it on a big chart type thing, sir. And
I have to sit and decipher.
I know.
Then I will, maybe in some of the batches I will
Sure,
You
sure,
can
sir.
say
I'll
on that.
make that, sir. Don't worry,
Okay.
sir.
Now, friends, anybody wants to ask any questions to Harveen? Anything in your mind you want to ask her? She's just come back from SSB. She'll be able to guide you. I mean, sometimes you think I am making a fool, so you can listen from the mouth of the
So
individual.
we'll be fool if we think that you are making us fool, sir.
Anybody wants to ask anything? Welcome. Just keep your mic on, karo or ask. Yeah, Prasanna.
Hello, congratulations, first of all. And I would like to ask about the PPDT discussion, because I think JAG and NCC Special are kind of similar. बहुत ज़्यादा people are there. So uh, what did you do to prevent the fish market and put your point through that fish market? How did you pierce that fish market?
So group discussion may, whether it's a group discussion for, group discussion for the GTO part or for the PPDT, the fish market will be there. So you have to, make sure that confidently you have to speak your point. You have to give your point very confidently, so that the other person should feel that there's something is, important that this person might speak. Just don't keep on speaking. Let others also speak. But while you are speaking your point, be very confident. Have voice modulation should be there, that if someone is not listening to you and you're trying to give a point, raise your voice, and then when everyone is listening, lower your voice. So you need to practice that. And the group discussion, especially for the PPDT part, the assessors, they divide the group into two. So when the group is into two, so you always get a point to speak. Sometimes there's complete silence within the group. So when there's a little bit silence, just start your point. Even if you have given that point, repeat it, doesn't matter, because at the end it's a story only. You have to keep on repeating your story, and combine the stories of the others. So take the points of others, write your point, show your points, and then mix those points and then give a point. So it's basically your confidence and your voice modulation that will help you, to bring your point in the group discussion.
Nalini.
Thank you.
Nalini.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, ma'am. I want to ask about the interview part. What kind of legal questions were asked in your interview?
So basically, because I'm not a JAG entry, I'm a CDS entry. So for me, no legal questions were asked. My only questions were about because I'm a master's in chemistry, so it were related to chemistry. And in general awareness part, I told you it was Myanmar and neighboring states of Myanmar. That's it. But I'll tell you, our deputy president who took our interview, he was not much into general awareness and current affairs. But the interviewing officer who was taking interview for the freshers group, he was into a lot of these weapons, artillery weapons, all about Indian weapons, military, these aircrafts. And then also he was about parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So it depends on IO to IO also. So you have to be well prepared about these little important topics from all the spheres, whether it's military education, military knowledge, and basic UPSC knowledge. You can say that parliament, Lok Sabha seats, Rajya Sabha seats, these are very important things. So basic knowledge of each and everything you should have, because it depends on your IO, in which mood he's sitting. So it depends on that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Pawandeep.
Good evening, ma'am. First of all, congratulations. And I want to ask about GPE. Like, I believe you would have done very good in GPE. And since you were nominated, like, how similar was your story to the group story? And if it was different, what were the points, ma'am?
Mostly because we had a group discussion. So as sir told us, apne points, you have already written your points in the solution part. So that has gone. So now it's a group discussion. So you have to agree with the points given by the others also. You can't keep on saying that, no, this is the only way it's going to happen. So while you discussing the solutions, you have to be very, attentive that what the other person is trying to say, because you never know, you might get nominated and then you have to think of the various points that the whole group has said. So I kept that in mind, that yeah, this person is giving this point, and our group is moving towards this. Because sometimes while I had written that, because there was an elephant, rescuing of the elephant in the last part. So some people were saying that we can't rescue the elephant on ourselves. We have to go and tell the reserve forest officers there that they will come. So though I have written that, because we were a people of 10 10 students, so along with the village people, we can easily make him out of that lake. But because majority was saying that we should go for the reserve forest, so I have to keep that in mind that no, majority is going for that, so I'll also go for that only. I can't keep on saying that no, this can't happen. So this is very important that you go for the group discussion as said by the majority in the group, and when you're nominated, keep those things in mind what the group was actually discussing, and then give your points for that.
Thank you. अच्छा, before we get the Prince and Danny, अर्जुन, आज किस किस का इंटरव्यू है, उनका टाइम क्या है? 4:30 वाला अगर कोई है तो he can leave.
Okay, sir.
Who's at 4:30?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Many
just
of
name
them are for 4:30, sir.
Okay, all those with 4:30, you can leave and prepare for interview, and don't be late for the interview because IOs will be waiting at 4:30.
Right.
Okay, sir.
11, 22, and 23.
11, 22, and 23. Please leave the group.
To ask about your interview part. How much he deep asked you about your graduation subjects and knowledge about graduation subject?
Not much. I told you the deputy president was not much into the knowledge part. He was more into the personality part. So it depends on IO. For me, because I was a chemistry student, he asked me only 2 questions regarding that, and I was able to answer them, but not much in deep. But some students, they were often asked deeply about their knowledge. Like some students tell ki I am preparing for UPS examination, sir. So then he started grilling you for the UPS.
Prince, you must know your subjects. It goes
Yeah.
without saying, whether asked or
Some
not
questions
asked.
will be asked, sir. At least
some
1 or 2
questions.
will be asked. Yeah.
Danny.
Congratulations, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm currently facing the major problem in delivering the lecturate, ma'am. Even on the easy topics like Android phones, I can't deliver my points. My heartbeat start beating fast.
That happens with everyone. Don't worry. That happens with everyone. That is not something
If I tell you that I was also damn scared when I was giving my lecture actually in SSB.
How to overcome this, sir?
So heart को beat होने दो, उसका काम ही beat होना है.
Exactly. Just practice. It's all about practice. You keep on practicing.
Lecture तो मुंह से निकलना है. हार्ट को बीट होने दो, उसको बोलो तुम अपना काम करो, मेरे को अपना काम करना है.
सर मुझे आता भी मतलब क्या बोलना है फिर भी बोल नहीं
पाता. वो तो तेरी नॉलेज नहीं है ना. That's not the problem of the heart.
Exactly.
That means your brain is not having knowledge of the topic. The problem is not of the heart. The problem is of the mind. So put it.
Even on the easy topic, sir.
So you have to study the easy topic also at times. Even if you sometimes people can't even speak of their best friend because they have not thought about it. Okay. So yeah. Anything, Harveen, any experience? How did you practice? I mean, मैं तो इनको बोलता ही रहता हूँ. You say, what did you do?
So for the lecture, sir, I used to prepare 2 to 3 topics only, not more than that. I used to study the topics properly, and then in my mind, I used to make those compartments in my mind. Ki these are the positive points, then these are the negative points for this, and then the solutions for this, and what will the what will the outcome for this? And then sir, I used to sit alone in my room, and then I used to practice verbally. So then I used to get also know ki this thing is not going well within me, and then I used to practice it again. So it depends on you how you want to practice it. I used to practice within myself only, and some students go and they start practicing in front of the mirror or with their parents. They go to the parents, like I practice my interview questions with my mother. So I used to narrate all the ICIQs to my mother. So whatever suits you, that will help you, sir, because and then you get to know ki yes, I am weak in this, and I'm improving in it, and you need to practice it.
So the end point is practice.
Yes,
read
sir.
And
Practice.
Read and practice. Danny, that is all the game is. Read and practice as much you can.
Yes.
So I think it is time to end the session and thank Harveen for joining us.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I wish you all the best. I want to see you in the merit and see you in the academy. Your friend is already waiting for you.
Yes,
He
sir.
came to us through a recommendation of his friend who is already in OTA, and she's waiting for Harveen to rag her or not to rag her. I don't know. That's only when you tell once you reach there.
Yes.
But anyway, she's waiting for you.
I know, sir.
God bless you with success
you so
in the
much.
merit list. And
you.
thank you so much for coming and so candidly sharing your views.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.